Hello. In this video, we're going to be trimming up the grass hedge. It's a yearly chore that we have to do for the grass hedge. That's all we have to do is trim it up. So we're getting our hedge trimmer and our lawn tractor with a little trailer, and we're just going to work away at it. It's supposed to rain, and I hope that we beat the rain. Anyways, come along with me and we'll trim up that hedge. The tool that we use is a hedge trimmer, but it's a pole hedge trimmer, and that seems to work really well for cutting the grass off. We leave about 8 to 10 inches above the base of the plant. We use the trailer and the lawn tractor to sort of just put it right into there, and then that helps speed up cleanup. This grass can be used for mulch or for fire starter. For safety, keep your legs away from the saw. That's what I'm trying to do. We were tired from planting 2 big trees and a shrub, and my husband's arms were really sore, so he decided that he would go dump this load and I would rake up the lying down grass that had been cut and just laying there. In the winter, the grass does break off a bit and you do have to rake it up. It's not a big job. Here, my husband was telling me he was really tired, and I said, well, let me try. And I did try, and I failed. The ergonomics of this pole trimmer, actually, you need a lot of muscles because the trimmer seems to flip on its side a bit. They need a handle on the top to hold on to. So that's where we got to for the first day, which wasn't too bad. We got a lot done, and we're coming out in the morning, and we're going to finish it up. It's not a really big job. It's just a labor-intensive job, and I actually love doing it. Well, if you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. If you've liked it, why not consider subscribing, or at least give it a thumbs up, or maybe even comment and tell me what you thought of it. This is the only job that I do on this hedge every year, and it's kind of a big job, but it's not too bad. Bye. See you in the next video.